Hello everybody, it is me. Today we are doing some Bed Wars and I am joined by my buddy and the name is Pokestar. And
Hi.
yeah, okay.
We're doing a private match.
Yeah, so it's only us. See on tab, you can only see his name tag. I cut off mine. Okay.
Okay, I'm already building my bed.
Oh, I don't know. Okay, stop building. Okay, get some of that, some of this.
Probably gonna do the trick it showed me a little while ago.
Oh, you're gonna cover it with glass and then cover it with clay and then do that.
Oh no, I covered it with glass, wood, and then clay.
Oh, well, okay. I'm not totally copying you right now. I actually can't copy you because I don't have enough to get wood. So I just had to go.
I've been in the forge to start recording. While you were doing that, I was literally getting my materials.
I'll just get my clay. Clay. That was the only thing I could afford, honestly. I can only afford clay and wool. Not even glass.
Oh no, I already got my materials and I'm already going to mid. Wait, I don't even need materials right now.
Honestly, you don't have to go to mid to get emeralds. You can just go to get diamonds. And then get some
Yeah,
wood.
no, I like emeralds. They're mine.
Mine. Should I put that song on? Should I put it on? Do you want me to put it on? Or do you want me to put on It's Time to Stop?
Please, no song. We might get copyright.
Oh, true. Copyrightedness. And this diagonal sign. I love that poem song. There's golden apples everywhere. Both of your feet, the order capitally mine. And both of your feet. Yeah, he legit said feet.
There, I'm already going to mid.
I'm not ready. So if you come kill me, I'm not ready at all. I just want to get a good sword.
No! Why do I keep getting glitched?
Oh wait, we're right beside each other. Okay.
We are?
Yeah, I just saw you fall off from the diamond place. We can't kill each. Okay, wait. Here's one rule: we can't kill each other at diamond bases. We can only kill each other at emerald. So if we.
The only way we can kill each other is we have a diamond in us.
I remember how I had a keyboard and my keyboard was messed up and my shift was broken and I couldn't shift at all. So we were playing Bed Wars with Cookie and Cookie was right beside me because I was awkward and she was red and she was like, I was just sitting there at my base I'm not gonna win, I'm gonna die. I'm just sitting there and I typed in chat, I need help. I can't build. My shift is broken. And so Cookie was like, okay, I'll come help you. And so she just built a floor to my base to help me. And I died when it was dragons. Hello.
You're going for diamonds. You have a diamond on you?
I only have one. Hey, I said not to kill. No.
If you have a diamond on you, you're allowed to get killed.
No. I only have one. That was honestly no. No! I said you're not allowed to kill each other. Boing. My YouTube channel here, boy.
The only way we can kill each other is we have 5 or we have to tell the truth about how many diamonds you have.
1! I'm lagging. Help. Help me, God. I can't get across my own bridge. Can't come to my base.
But you must die.
No, I only have 1 diamond. And I'm not kidding about it. I only have 1 diamond. White subs. White my subs.
I'm not letting you come.
Hey, that's not fail. Fail, you cheater. I know you can break that block. Trying to kill yourself. Okay, goodbye. Think I can live with 1 diamond. Okay, what can I get with 1 diamond? Hello. Oh.
If you want a diamond, you better be quick because I'm going to...
I'm gonna get some heal food.
So build.
Okay. What? What did you just say?
2.
What?
I'm almost coming back home.
Ooh, this is cool.
4.
I'm not going to get diamonds. I don't need one right now.
And 1 emerald. I'll come back home.
Okay, subs, look what I
We're
have.
going to other
Subs,
diamonds,
look
right?
what I have, my subscribers. I shall hit him with this. And he would never
You have
know.
an knockback stick, don't you?
No.
You do.
No.
You do.
Subs, don't say it. Don't say it, subs. Don't make me laugh, subs. No. Boom. My diagonal sign. I'm both your feet. Mine. Okay, let's see if I have good aim for this thing. What? Oh, no! See, subs, never trust someone like me on Bed Wars.
Did you die?
No. If you read chat, understand what happened.
And by the way, guys, if you're watching on screen, which I'm not recording, then you'll see something that will shoot.
Is it a bow?
No?
It isn't. Subs, tell me if you see his screen. Ah, it is a bow. Crap.
Get back.
I'm not even coming for your diamonds. I'm just looking at your bridge waiting to kill you. Trapped.
Show me how. Are you shooting me?
No, I don't have a bow yet. I'm saving up for a bow though. Me. Shall kill you. Okay, some of that.
Why don't you just go to other bases?
That's so freaking true. But I don't want to because I feel like you're just gonna go to that base. Okay, I'm gonna give you a hint. I might go to the base next to me.
I don't care. You can have it.
It's all mine. All of these bases are mine. I marked it with my color.
I didn't.
They did.
I didn't.
Diamonds. No. I'll never win because of you.
Yeah, you better run.
I'm not running. I just wanted to come grab your freaking arrow. Eeh. Dang. Okay, try to get this arrow off my roof. Destroy it.
I have 7 diamonds. I have seven diamonds.
No, I had to make myself taller. Wait.
Yeah, because it's actually really hard to hit you.
I can't get up. I can't reach. Even if I made my legs longer, I can't reach anything.
Time to upgrade my forge.
Mine. And this diagonal sign. Both of your feet.
Can you
Feet.
please? 16 and
You know what?
16. What?
I can become an ass now. Ow. Shoot me.
You left me no choice.
Now I'm Starlight Ass now. Me. Now I'm Alex, my baby. My baby self. My shit.
Mine. What's wrong with us? Why do I have that song stuck in my head thanks to you?
Because of me.
I need 3 more diamonds.
I'm just gonna let you talk, honestly. Because I'm doing more better stuff.
We're not building, we're doing anything.
Don't shoot me. I'm doing something right now. Team, tell him what I'm doing, and you'll die. And you never be my subscriber. Okay, so what can I...
7, 6, 5, 4,
What?
3, 2, 1. Yay! If I die now, I'm gonna cry.
Die, 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 die. Guys, do it with me. Die, 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 die. Aw.
I'm back at my base.
Okay, I have to save up for something. I have to save all my stuff just to get this one thing.
Can I attack you by any chance?
No. Okay, I have to get closer to this. I'm not trying to attack you. I'm trying to do something.
It's okay. I know you can't even attack me.
Crap. A second aim, guys.
And then, what else do I need? Oh, yeah.
We only have 5 more minutes for this video to go on because reasons.
Some of this.
I have animation work to do.
Some new.
Okay, wait. Let me talk to my subscribers for a minute. Okay. Okay, my subscribers. Before this video, before I tell you anything about what's gonna happen next on my YouTube channel, I want y'all to leave a like and subscribe to Pokestars channel. Stop lagging me.
I don't even use my channel, you know that.
Who cares?
It's really bad.
Who cares? I don't even know how to get to your channel, so who cares? But also,
Oh wait, I need one more important item.
before I go kill him and destroy his life, I'm working on an animation for me and my friend, which was the old YouTube channel's name, Ziggy and Chloe, which is Chloe. I'm working on an animation for me and her, so we can both have like a cute little intro and outro stuff. And I'm halfway done making that. You'll see it's raining tacos video soon. Oh, and then for the intro you'll see it. And you better go watch that video because it's hilarious because I do a taco singing.
Will you forgive me if I did this?
What? Do what? I don't see it. I don't see anything. I only see spikles. Do you have spikles around your place? Ah! Boing, 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 boing. Do you think you can explode my bed?
Yeah.
No, you can't. You know why I have glass, stupid?
Oh, I have an emerald forge, so I get infinite emeralds.
No, you don't. You have to wait. Still have to wait. Wait, how did you even get over here? I don't understand this anymore. You enderpearled. I understand. Okay, I need to use my stuff for good cause.
Now for you. And now I need you. I think I don't have enough.
Okay, I have to get this thing.
I have you. And my favorite item.
A bow.
No. Nope.
I'm gonna shoot you off my
We'll
island.
find out. More emeralds.
Oh, why did I just waste all my stuff? Okay, while you're getting stuff.
I'm getting some. So you're lucky I'm busy right now. Oh, got it. Now, bye-bye. If this fails, then I'm crying.
Do what? What? What fails? An Enderman?
My iron golem's failed me because I'm going to
Mine. Mine.
I only got speed.
Me.
Oh, actually that's good. I needed speed.
Bam. I have a protected bed. Yeah. Loser.
Thing.
Protect my base. Need a pickaxe now.
I think more than one.
Did you die?
You know what I need? One more.
Oh no! Only 1 more minute for this video to stop. Oh no! My time limit is 15 minutes.
Oh, it's 1 minute. Diamond. It's the third time.
Okay. How am I supposed to upgrade myself? Okay. Since I haven't died, I still have regeneration. So, that's good. So, like, if I get health taken away, so if I